Alright! Buckle your seatbelts, boys and girls. Today we're gonna show you how to equation of parallel and non-parallel lines.
Equation of what?
Parallel and non-parallel lines.
What is this? I don't know it. Kamen Rider. You forgot to introduce yourself.
My name is Saharith Abdulmundushai. My name is Win. I'm from 1105.
I also came from 1105. My name is Non Nashpak Pinyo. Wait, before we start, do you remember that day?
Flashback.
So this is what?
What is this?
This is not a parallel line. Yeah, okay. This is intersect line. You see, is not go together, but this is parallel line.
What the hell is this? Oh man.
End of flashback.
But now we understand what is parallel.
And non-parallel lines. So, this is...
Oh, it's too boring. Let's get to your mind.
Oh! Where are we now?
In your mind.
What? Oh my god. But I feel like I can see everything more clear.
Of course, it's your mind.
Well, that's right. So, in this video, we're gonna show you how do you find or how do you solve for the equation of parallel lines and non-parallel lines.
So, which part will we take to?
I'll take parallel line, of course.
But why?
No, you just take non-parallel line.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay,
I'll
okay.
just take parallel. Let's
So let's
begin. So, what is parallel lines? Parallel lines are lines that will never contact each other or intersect together, and it will go in the same direction. For the tips to look, you can just see the distance apart from each other. It will be the same as it go along together. For example, this one, or like this. Okay. So how do you find the equation of the line? First, the slope have to be the same, and then you can just use the slope to find the y-intercept. There's two formula, which is y equal mx plus b and y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So how do you find the slope of this one? Use one of the formula, and then you can just solve the formula to find the slope. So like this, and boom, negative 3x over 2 is the slope of this line. Okay, now it's your turn to find the slope. The time's running. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, so as you can see, there's 14 over 2, but you can ignore this part because it's not the final answer. Okay, next, you just use the slope to find the y-intercept, which is 5x over 2. Then you plug in the given points, and you just need to solve for the variables in these questions. In this case, you need to solve for b, and b is equal to 8. Just move 12 to minus 20. Finally, you can just put everything you have into the equation, which will give the result of this, and then you just compare to the first one. And as you can see, the slope are the same, which means that they are parallel.
Welcome to my part, is the non-parallel line part. Because Vin have already done his pilot with parallel lines, so
Let's begin with the non-parallel line part. I will show you how the equation of non-parallel line work. But first, we need to begin with what is non-parallel line. It's an all line that intersecting to each other, and we would call it a non-parallel line because, as we say that the parallel line will never intersect to each other. For line structure, the structure of a non-parallel line will be like this. It's a two lines that intersecting to each other and create a four angles that may be different, may be the same, up to the type of it. For the first one, I will show you the intersecting line. If the two lines that intersecting to each other, it doesn't matter how it create the angles, how the distance between the line. It's just the two lines that intersect each other. And for the second one, it's somehow that we usually solve in our math class because it's perpendicular line. It's the two lines that intersect each other and create the 90-degree angle. And for the formula of perpendicular line, it will be different for parallel line because the perpendicular line will use the slope of the two lines multiply to each other and give the product of negative one. If the product is negative one, it's a perpendicular line. In this example, like as you can saw, then the first line have 1 over 7x as its slope, and the second line have negative 7 as its slope. When they multiply to each other, they give a product of negative 1. So it's quiz time. I will let you determine which one is parallel, which one is not. So you done a really great job. I know you did it right because A is parallel and B is perpendicular. And it's the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening and see you soon. Bye bye. At last, we hope that everyone could take this benefit from our video to make the improve in your education, something like that. And we hope that what?
And I would like to thank you all for the one who views our videos, and I really appreciate for what you guys have been through in 10 minutes. And please share the videos, and yeah, have a good one.
See you soon. Bye. Wandering the street all through the night. Wait, does guitar string parallel? I mean guitar string.
What is it?
Is it parallel?
Wait. Okay, let me check. I've just got like a ruler in my hand. Okay, so it's like 0.9. 0.8.
Oh, it gets smaller.
So, that means,
It's not the parallel.
yeah, it's not parallel.
ลงมาเปิดเสียง
มึงไม่